This thing sits in our living room and it's really ugly. There's a lot of messed up spots on it. So we're gonna do a quick fix with some chalk paint. Let's see if we can make it look a little bit better. We are using chalk style paint, but it does recommend sand glossy surfaces to repair any imperfections and give it some teeth to bite to. Now that it's sanded, we're gonna wipe all the dust off it. We're painting the top of this black and the rest of it white. It's not covering the greatest, so we're gonna have to do 2 coats. Chalk paint isn't perfect. But it already looks better than it did. Alright, this is the second coat. Let's see if it covers. Looks like it's covering, but it might need a coat. Second coat didn't quite cover all the way either. So we're gonna let this dry, sand it, lightly sand it, and put a 3rd coat on. Before we apply the 3rd coat, we're gonna sand it with 320 grit, really light sanding. We're going to lightly sand the top, put another coat of polycrylic on it. We're going to do that for 3 coats. We're using Kilz clear wax to finish the base of this. roughing it with a clean, dry rag.